What's up everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the spare tire from a Toyota Highlander. This is a 2018 here, but it will be the same on several different years. So the spare tire is going to be located at the rear of the vehicle, up underneath. And how we need to get to it is we're looking in the back here. The back hatch is open. We need to pick this panel up here. And there's actually supposed to be a string right here that'll allow you to clip onto one of these back headrests to hold this open, but this vehicle's missing it. So I'm just gonna tuck these rear seat belts in front of it to hold it up. And then if we look right here, we're gonna see a few tools, the lug nut wrench and a few other things. In this compartment here will be the jack. But in order to lower the spare tire from beneath the vehicle, we need to remove this cap. And we're gonna get this piece and put on here. And now we're gonna take this piece and this piece. And if you notice, this has like a screw in the end. You wanna make sure that that's backed out so that you can fit this in there. And then you can tighten it down just a little bit to hold it on there. Then if we hook onto here, and now we're gonna turn this counterclockwise or to our left. And as we're spinning this down, it's gonna be lowering the tire below us. So we're just gonna keep spinning until we feel it lighten up. You'll feel some slack when the tire hits the ground. Okay, it feels like we're hitting there. Get a few more cranks. And then if we now look under here. So we want to grab our tire and pull it out. And we need to remove this retaining item here that's in the middle. What we want to do is get it up from the bottom. And this piece here that you can see sliding up, you need to slide that up above this part that I'm touching with my middle finger. So slide that up and then turn it upright like this. And it'll allow that to come through there. So I know that was a little difficult to see. It was sitting there like this, and what I did was pick it up like this and then turn it up and allow that to come through the tire. So that's it. That's how you remove it. To get it back up, you'll just reverse everything we just did. You can actually feed this down in there. Like that. Okay, so that's sitting in there secure again. And you'll go back up here on this nut, and I'm not actually gonna show you, but you'll just spin it to the right this time to raise that tire back up. So that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.